Hey everyone, I hope you are doing well, working from home for a few days. I just wanted to say that we are here, we are working without you. It's day 3 of no students at school, and it's getting kind of weird. I miss you already. Um, it's such an empty room without you guys. Look at this, it's clean. You guys know that never happens. I miss tripping over your binders. I haven't heard a hydro flask fall in 3 days. I don't know what to do without you guys. I wanted to just check in. I know we're going to have some social studies content on Google Classroom pretty soon. I'm going to go over how to do the list of assignments that I gave you. I'm going to make a separate video for that. But I want you to know that I'm not super concerned about making sure you guys get at least 40 minutes of social studies every day, like you might at school, okay? Right now, take care of yourself. Make sure you are working hard and being kind to others. That school classroom rule still applies when you're at home. So be good to each other. In other news, social studies is all around you. It doesn't matter what you are doing, if you are at school, if you are at home. You've heard me talk about the 5 parts of social studies. I'm going to just kind of review those real quick and tell you that it's still happening, even if you are not at school. First part of social studies, current events. Clearly, the current events of our world today are dictating what you are doing in your life right now. School is closed because of a current event. Second part of social studies is U.S. government, and even though it might have taken a little bit of a back seat due to the virus, politics are still happening, the debates are still happening, voting is still happening, the election next year is still happening, so you still might be hearing some information about that. If you've heard anything about the economy lately, that's the third part of social studies. You might have heard how some businesses are not doing so well right now because they can't have people going to them. It's hard to have a booming business when people are not allowed to either go out to the stores or go out to the restaurants or go fly to Disney World and spend their vacation time there. Scarcity was one of our vocabulary words. There is a scarcity of toilet paper if you go to Walmart right now. So social studies is going to be all around. Geography, the state keeps telling us, the virus is in these counties. You have to know where your counties are. The virus is in these countries. You'll need to know world geography to figure out, okay, where in the world is this affecting our lives? And history. History is in the making right now. I think if you guys were to record yourselves, journal about it, write, create art about what you are experiencing in your life right now, date it, and one day it could be used as a primary source document for the people who look back on this time, March of 2020, and are using our information to talk about this defining moment in history. With all of that said, social studies is all around you. Social studies is part of life, but I do not expect that your life is only social studies, okay? I know you have a lot of ELA work and math work and science work to work on as well. I know you might be babysitting. I know you might be cleaning your room for the first time all year, okay? So I understand that you have things to do. With that said, try not to get behind. Keep a good pace of some time for school and some time for you, and I think we're all going to make it through this just fine. Feel free to email me at any time. I will get back to you. Just like I say throughout the rest of the year, email me at any time, but if it's 1 in the morning, you're going to have to wait until the next morning when I wake up to reply. I hope you guys are doing well. Send me pictures or videos because I miss your smiling faces. Bye.